Yeah. Now, when the angle of prism is small, okay, we will take it as a thin prism. The prism is small, okay, less than 10 degree, okay. When this condition is there, the deviation is going to be a plus refractive index minus 1, okay. Like this we can get the equation, okay. So, see here, we know prism formula, it's a 1 to 2 is equal to sine a plus deviation divided by 2 divided by sine a divided by 2, okay. When the angle is small, sin theta will be theta approximately equal to theta, okay. So sin theta will become as a theta, so refractive index of 1 to 2 is equal to a plus deviation divided by 2, a divided by 2, 2 will get cancelled, okay. So a plus deviation divided by a divided by a, this value will be 1, okay, refractive index of 1 to 2. So this is going to be 1 plus deviation divided by a is equal to refractive index of 1 to 2. Okay, now 1 if you are bringing this side, so we can get deviation divided by a refractive index of 1 to 2 minus 1. Okay, a if you are bringing here, the deviation is equal to a times of refractive index of 1 to 2 minus 1. Okay, it is only we can use when the prism is it's a thin prism, okay. And the next thing, dispersive power, okay. Dispersive power we can take it as the omega, okay. So we know the VIBGYOR color, VIBGYOR, VIBGYOR, okay. So I am taken one of the least value, one of the most value, and the center, okay. Center is not a green, according to the wavelength yellow will be the center, okay. So like that I am taken the deviation of red minus deviation of violet divided by deviation of the yellow, maximum, minimum, and center one, okay. Like that I am taken. So now deviation of the red, same equation, a and refractive index of red minus 1, deviation of violet, a refractive index of violet minus 1, deviation of yellow, a refractive index of yellow minus 1. Like that we can get. If this everything I am substituting here, so what is the next step I can get? So total dispersive power is equal to first red one, a refractive index of red minus 1 minus a refractive index of yellow minus 1, violet, this one violet, divided by a refractive index of yellow minus 1. Angle of the prism everywhere it's get cancelled, okay. So because commonly you can take it outside, angle of the prism will get cancelled, okay. So refractive index of red minus 1 minus refractive index of violet plus 1, minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled, divided by whole multiplication angle of prism I am taken common outside, angle of the prism will be there, okay. This is going to be violet. So refractive index of yellow minus 1, so this get cancelled. So finally dispersive power is equal to refractive index of red minus refractive index of yellow, violet divided by refractive index of yellow minus 1, okay. Like this we can get as a dispersive power, okay. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you everyone.